I am so excited about this package. Let's get inside and do an unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am excited about today's unboxing video because I made a purchase and got this. It is the Peter McKinnon 25-liter camera backpack. And I was very excited when I looked at my door after I got that just amazing notification from Amazon that it's been delivered and saw his pirate symbol. That's just the classic Peter McKinnon logo now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this bag unboxed. We'll see what it's like and get my first thoughts. All right. What I love is Peter McKinnon's appreciation for just good packaging done right. I appreciate that. And I'm glad he appreciates that too. Right. There it is, folks. Here is the bag. Comes with the Peter McKinnon skull with the swords crossed on the front. It's just kind of this nice Ziploc top here. Just unzip that. And we'll pull it out. I feel like there should be like choir music or something right now. All right, man, this looks so good. It feels like secure, it feels strong and tight, and it feels like it's made to travel, made to carry your gear and protect it. Right off the bat, I'm just really loving the feel of it. It's kind of that, I don't know, polyester, sort of nylon, water resistant sort of material. And these straps, man, these straps feel sturdy. They're padded, they're really thick padding. They feel secure. It's got the Peter McKinnon signature and Nomatic logo right in the front. And so yeah, let's go ahead and open this bag up. I think it opens this way maybe. Unclip these, clip the strap here. Oh, no, that's right, I forgot. I'm used to my camera bag where I have to pull the shoulder straps to the side in order to lift out the back of the camera bag, but this, he designed it to be right a part of it. So let's go ahead and unzip it. I ordered the kind with the ladders and cubes, I guess it is. All right, man, right off the bat, this looks so good, so organized. All right, so we got this cube here, and these feel so secure. These are just like padded, solid walls that will keep your camera gear right where it needs to be. And of course, they're made to be, you know, designed and sort of oriented with however you want your gear to be laid out in your camera bag. He designed this bag to be customizable, very customizable. So you could actually turn this sideways if you wanted, because this top part of the loft can actually be like oriented so that you could open it from the top and access your camera from here. That way all this is up here, and then whatever you have down here is, you know, something you could access from opening the back. We've got these nice zippered pouches here right in the inside of the flap that we open up. It's a nice storage there. Let me go ahead and just zip this back down. All right, so then we have on this side, we've got the, let's see, I think it's right here. We have the laptop storage right here. Just slip your laptop right in here. And that feels very secure because on the back, you've got these ribbed portions that will kind of keep your bag padded against your back, which will also help protect your laptop that you would store in here. I think this is made for a 16-inch laptop. I have a 13-inch, so it'll be plenty of room for it to fit in there. On the top, we have this loft is what they call it, I think. Unzip it there and it folds open. And this is where you would actually be able to keep your camera and open it for quick access if you wanted to, or you can shove it full of clothes, travel items you might need, and then you have all your camera stuff down below. But inside the loft, you've got another zipper pouch here that you can store. This actually feels a little padded itself, this zippered pouch right here, but some more storage right there. I honestly feel like I'm going to be using the loft a lot, especially with a vlogging setup. It's made so that you could basically keep a camera with a lens and maybe a mic attached to it. That way you're not always having to fight putting that extra, vlogging mic on top. Just unzip it, you got the space here, just pull it out and you're good to go. These zippers feel very secure. There's these little metal kind of cap pieces or tube pieces that are on the zipper that will kind of help give you that security when you're trying to zip your bag shut. All right, on the front we've got these little bands here that are actually tighter than I thought they were, than I expected them to be, just from when I watched other people reviewing them. But you can you know, slip your carabiner on here if you need it to hold something, some straps that you can run in here. But these are very tight. These are not loose, which is great because it doesn't mean they're gonna stretch or, you know, wear off anytime soon. On the side we have our pouch, and these snap, of course, with the kind of classic Peter McKinnon magnet concept where you just quickly snap it shut. But these expand to hold quite a bit. I mean, they open up, but then they also stretch it. The one side stretches a little bit because it's elastic. So lots of room for a water bottle. Definitely a tripod or a GorillaPod can slip right in the side very, very easily. Both sides are the same way. You've got these magnet snap side pockets that I really love, because if you're not using it, it just keeps it tight together, keeps it streamlined and slim. I hate when camera bags, if you're not using the side pocket, you just have this like big pocket that's just collecting trash or whatever else, gets caught on stuff, gets caught on, you know, plain C arms when you're trying to go down the aisle or whatever. So this keeps it really nice and streamlined. Overall, this just feels really secure, very strong. I'm super excited to put this to use. I have a lot of trips and traveling coming up this year, so I will definitely obviously be bringing it on those trips. And I hope to, as I kind of get the bag figured out and kind of figure out the layout I like, I will definitely do a, you know, what's in my camera bag for this year, especially with my traveling and kind of my workflow and what, how this bag works best for me and maybe my setup. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Peter McKinnon 25-liter camera backpack from Nomatic. If you guys have any questions about this camera bag, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys want to see more videos regarding this bag or other unboxing videos in the future, hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.